I never made it, but I know what it takes.
So I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer with aloe vera, vitamin E, tea tree oil, and alcohol.
Did they ask?
So you're going to get the area that you're going to put the aloe vera on, and you're going to sanitize it with the alcohol.
Don't do that though.
I'm going to sanitize it really well. I did wash my hands, by the way. You can get your aloe vera, and you're going to cut off.
That smells strong. Oh my gosh, that smells strong.
And what you see here is yellow. After you cut these, you're going to put it in a plate, and you're going to let it sit there for about 30 minutes until all the yellow stuff just kind of pushes off of it. And you're going to put it, and you're going to cut off the ends. See? The ends. It's going to look like that. And then you're going to take off the other two ends. And take up all the filling from it. And then, so you're going to scrape off all this stuff in here, all the jello. And save this. Don't throw it away, I'll tell you why. Okay? And then you're going to add tea tree oil. About 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mommy, is it done?
Yeah. The enchilada is done. You're going to get vitamin E oil. Oh my gosh, I should have opened this first. And I don't have a dropper, so I do have another one. You're going to add about an 1/8 of a teaspoon. So you're going to add, I just put this in here where the aloe vera, tea tree, and oil was. And I put it in here, and you just put it in a blender. And then you add a cup of your alcohol in there. And then you just, oops, sorry. Blend it up. What are you doing? After it's blended, you pour it in your spray container.
Ooh, you can make a business of YouTube.
First, you're going to wash out your spray container with distilled water, okay? And then, I'm trying to do this just with one hand. You've got your, come here, McKayla. Wash your hands.
I'm scared it's gonna like burn or something.
No, you don't wash it. You just, this is just, so now, whoops, where are you? Okay, there you go. You've got your hand sanitizer. And you just leave it on. Let it dry.
See if this works.
All germs killed. There you go.
Smells like it works better than
All you need is alcohol, vitamin E, tea tree oil, aloe vera. There you go.